Swagbucks Review: How to Earn Money. Swagbucks is a portal that offers users reward points for doing simple tasks online. Things like searching the web, watching videos and completing paid surveys. You'll be paid in Swagbucks points, shortened to SBs, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. The gift cards they offer come from over 1,500 retailers, including Amazon, iTunes and Tesco. If you'd rather make extra money using Swagbucks, you can convert points straight into your PayPal account as cash. Or you can donate to charity if you're feeling generous. How much can you earn on Swagbucks? To give you an idea of what SB points are worth, a £5 Amazon gift card will cost you about 850 SB, and you'll need to cough up 18,125 SB for £100 cash, via PayPal. But they accumulate quicker than you might think. There are so many tasks and activities looped into Swagbucks, many of which you probably do already. Swagbucks often run sales on their rewards too, meaning fewer SBs are needed to redeem the vouchers. For example, £100 of PayPal credit on offer for 20% off the usual price. Is Swagbucks legit? Yes. Swagbucks has been rated 4.75 by over 23,000 users. But given just how easy it is to earn money on the site, we wouldn't blame you for asking if Swagbucks is legit. When we asked the members of our Facebook Deals group to give us their thoughts on Swagbucks, plenty replied to say it was worthwhile. Lots of people said they'd managed to claim gift cards from their time on Swagbucks. Common complaints included the time taken to earn rewards and being screened out halfway through a survey. This is when your answers indicate you're not a match for the type of respondent the company running the survey is looking for. 11 ways to earn money on Swagbucks. Make Swagbucks your default search engine. Complete surveys and polls. Download apps and games to your phone. Shop online and earn cashback. Tell your friends. Watch out for swag codes. Complete daily goals. Enter competitions. Play games online and on mobile. Sign up to services. Watch videos,